Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the non-mobile app review to see if it was using. So to get started, the non-mobile app is a popular platform in the Middle East for shopping, groceries, and food delivery. It offers a wide range of products including electronics, fashion, home goods, and daily essentials. The app is easy to navigate, support various payment methods, and often features flash sales and discount deals. Many users appreciate the fast delivery option, like non-minute, along with the convenience of ordering everything in one place. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users report late deliveries, orders, cancellation, issue with refund, and problem when dealing with a third-party sellers. Others mentioned that customer service can be slow to respond. Despite this, if you stick to trusted seller and avoid risky items like electronics, the apps usually work well. Overall, none is worth it for details. For daily shopping and groceries. Just be cautious with the expensive items and always double check seller's rating, which is very important. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.